맛있어. 어묵. I like it big, like street style.
Today I'll share my family's confidential tteokbokki recipe. I'll share a simple recipe another time, but this is for those who want to make legit street-style tteokbokki. The best rice cake is ones you can get locally at a Korean market. If not, you can get frozen or shelf-stable ones online. Unless you got fresh soft rice cake, you need to soak in water for 20 to 30 minutes. Cut them into 2-inch lengths. Make seasoning by mixing sugar, gochujang, fine gochugaru, and soy sauce. Some people make it with gochujang only, but adding gochugaru gives that clean spicy kick and beautiful red color. Coat the rice cake with the seasoning and let it sit while making the broth. This will make rice cake much more flavorful. Rinse fish cake in hot water briefly and cut them into triangles. Good tteokbokki needs good broth. Remove guts from anchovies to remove any bitterness, but this is optional. Wash, peel, and cut radish. Add radish, anchovies, and lots of kelp to water. Street vendors use MSG, but I use kelp for that umami bomb. Boil on medium heat for about 20 minutes. Cut onion, cabbage, and green onions. These veggies are not to chew on, but mainly for flavors, so cut into fairly small sizes so that they sort of disappear into the sauce. Remove the broth ingredients. Add all ingredients and cook on low to low-medium heat so it's softly boiling. If you cook too fast, the sauce won't be absorbed into the rice cake. Let it cook until the most of the liquid is gone. Taste it and add salt if necessary. You can garnish with green onions at the end, but it's optional. Some people like to add eggs, ramen noodles, dumplings, but I like my tteokbokki pure. Recipe and tips in my IG description. 맛있게 먹어!
Actually tastes best when all the liquid is gone. 맛있겠지?